Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 2nd. This is my recap of the top view videos of the day, and the US dollar came in number one today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro dollar did have a pretty nice breaker structure up. Nice little break, nice impulsive move to the upside. We do have to keep in mind, as always, that the roadmap higher time frames are definitely in a downtrend, at least until we go up and break this high right here, which is where the last series of lower lows, lower highs started. Actually, almost a perfect little five-way pattern down right here. Perfect little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice breaker structure. I would assume that this move up is a correction to this last push down, the last 5 waves. I would also think that it would make some sort of a three-way pattern like this. Sometimes we don't get those nice three-way patterns, and sometimes it does just keep on trending down. So I am definitely primarily looking for shorts. If you can identify the end of a correction, the end of a wave B on shorter time frames, you could definitely take that as a long, maybe back up to one of these fib levels. But definitely primarily looking for shorts. I'm looking for 3 waves up, A, B, C, Fibonacci bounce, engulfing move to the downside to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.